Come on, Jeff.
Hello, welcome. Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Is this gonna suck us into the basement or something?
We gotta go through the rules.
Welcome to the PocaHAUNTus haunted house. I've got a few rules. Our main rules are do not run. If you touch a character, they're probably gonna touch you back. Try not to trip on anything or knock down any of the decorations. And no video and pictures.
I'm out.
All
And no
right,
drugs.
Have fun. Get ready for some thrills and chills. You can head over to the funeral.
Please take a seat.
Oh, but we have to sit a lot. Did you notice that?
Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us for the celebration of life of Mr. Jack Killam. Mary, his wife, is the last surviving person left in the Killam family. All 4 of their children perished last year in a fire. They all died from being melted to death. Jack grew up on a family farm when he was young. He was a straight-A student throughout high school, and he was always involved in school activities. He was a very well-known man and was always talked highly of in the community by his peers. He was a loving father, uncle, and son. He was killed in a horrific farm accident last Monday. The combine he was running caught fire, and he got stuck in the cab because the door lock seized up. By the time the fire department showed up, it was too late, and the skin had melted from his face. Upon the strong request of his wife, Mary, she wanted people to see Jack one more time before we put him to his final resting spot. We tried the best we could to make him look good, but makeup can only go so far. Now, Mrs. Killam would like you all to please come up and take one final look at Jack.
Ah!
I knew that was gonna happen.
I know, it's kind of...
Are you guys ready?
Absolutely.
Good luck. You're gonna need it. 2.
Well, that's 2 for 2 of us, apparently. I don't know. I assume...
Jesus! Don't do that!
Am I supposed to... Oh,
Will, are you in there, Will?
I don't know who Will
Will,
is.
where are you, Will? Will! Come
Okay.
out, Will! Where are you, Will? Will!
I got plenty of smoky. I know.
I'm out.
And then look who, yeah. Okay. Oh, there we go.
Okay, somebody's smoking. Oh, jeez. What
Oh,
do we got
nice.
going on here? Glow in the dark.
Like glow in the dark thing. Hi, how are you?
Hey, is it?
Hey, Jeff, how are you?
I think somebody's smoking something in here.
I was gonna say.
Is there a... Where's the...
I don't know. There's the wall. To the left. There we
Oh,
go.
here we go, here we go.
Yep, coming through.
Don't do that! I thought that was the wall.
Yeah, no.
Or that was the door. God. How are you?
Good. Oh, goodness.
Oh,
There's somebody
sir.
here in the middle of the thing.
Okay, he's...
Oh, you go ahead.
Nope.
Is it scary upstairs?
No, not really.
Oh, we got traffic control.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, this is... Person, hi!
I know.
Dude, finally. Same person.
Welcome. You must go this direction.
Oh.
Oh, gee, I don't like that. No. Okay, Alex, I think you take the lead here. What
Okay.
I don't know what that is.
Okay. I'd say that's spiders and... Oh, see, that's the advantage of having camera light.
My taekwondo reflexes might take...
Oh, I got eyes in here.
Put your gun out or something.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
Okay.
and there's a little zombie back there. Yeah. Then we got...
That was eating
I was gonna say, well, nothing wrong with a little rat.
Uh-oh. There's a clown.
Oh.
Okay, hi.
That Castanado?
Yeah.
I like him.
Is Jesus, thank you.
I'm the police. I can't do anything to him.
You can't. I know it. See, look at the advantage of coming through with me.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm gonna guess there's a hole back here behind us. Yeah, I like that one. See, I have to be a little technically proficient.
Oh, God. Jason.
You get too far ahead of me.
Okay, all right. I'm just trying to get. Oh, whoa. Oh, hi there, sir. You're still with us. Not cool.
Oh, that was fun.
Beware the stairs.
Did you not do that
Beware the
to me?
stairs.
Stairs.
Oh, this is kind of fun, Jeff.
Not bad.
We need. Oh, I'm hooked in it.
Apply the brakes.
CJ? Oh, he's gonna be a high five.
Just chopping people up.
I was gonna say, don't let him chop you up. They did a good job. You know.
Okay, all right.
At least that one's not real. You know, it's no louder than your shop.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, it's always which one's gonna move next. Hello. Yeah. Ooh, there's like.
You're supposed to walk through this swinging dead bodies?
Yeah, apparently it's like a meat locker.
You're leading the way.
Okay, I know. You keep getting in front of me.
I got pee in front of me.
Oh, shit. Shoot. Oh, little bunnies.
Those were some nice faces. Can I have them?
No faces. Whoa. Okay.
Oh, shoot. Hi. How are you guys? Oh, we're being told. Yeah. Oh, there are more things to scare you. Oh, do we get a fortune told?
This will be like tough action.
Are we
See
taking?
in your future. Running to my rescue, actually.
Right?
Deep into Oh, I see an unexpected vacation in about 2 weeks.
Ooh.
Get you meet family and friends in an unplanned vacation. Seek and you shall find.
Nice, I like that.
Okay.
Ready?
There's a cone right there.
Okay, be careful of the thing that's trying to tap me with the... You trying to trip me? Ah, damn clowns. Hi, how are you?
That wasn't me that screamed like that.
Wasn't it?
It was a cop. I seen it.
See, they all got... You know how much I love clowns, right? I know. See, look, they're nice.
Yeah, they're
They're nice clowns. Here you go.
Out we go. Yeah. Oh.
You survived!
Oh, shoot.
I